All right, let's get you informed with some of the stories making headlines in the world of business. Now, Air France has today marked 90 years of operation across the globe. The airline has outlined key milestones achieved over the years in the field of aviation, noting that technology, innovation and onboard comfort will characterize the next phase. Now, the airline has also reaffirmed its commitment to provide travelers with utmost comfort and luxury in the air to connect people to cultures across the globe.
After Kenya, also in the last couple of years, Air France has come back to the East African region as a whole. So we now also fly to Zanzibar, and most recently we opened Dar es Salaam in June of this year. So really solidifying the position of Air France next to KLM here in East Africa. And I must say it's been really good. The flight has been really successful, and it's been appreciated well. If you look at the aviation industry as a whole, I think it's a clear pillar of attention for everybody, how to make aviation sustainable towards the future, to maintain a valuable business model for everybody. And I think if you look at Air France KLM, we're really taking a pioneer position in our industry on our roadmap towards more sustainable flying. And there's multiple things that we do. So first of all, I think we have a very challenging but also inspiring investment roadmap into fleet renewal. Fleet renewal is one of the easiest ways to reduce your carbon footprint and your carbon emissions.
All right, moving on, the government has urged private sector players in the tour